If there is an assignment due and you want to increase out the assignment deadline, that is, you want to change out its timing for submission, then you can easily do that as well. So to do that, you need to go around onto the classwork tab right here and see the assignments. And here you can see that this particular assignment is due right here, just like this. So now if I were to go around over here and click on the three dot button, I can go around and edit this out over here. So once I go around and edit this, you can see that this is due on September 30, 6:31 a.m. And if I were to see the timing, then it is actually past that timing right here. And the assignment will be closed for the student. So if I want to go around and increase the deadline, then I can simply go around and choose another date right here. Like let's say, for example, October 3, and then choose the same timing or different timing right here and click on save right here. And this particular assignment will be reopened for the student to submit again. And that is what you can do right here in order to increase the student assignment deadline if needed inside of Google Classroom. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.